everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Pamela again, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can locate someone's current place of employment by utilizing our tool. And this is conducted by a licensed third-party private investigator. What is verified current place of employment search and why will I need it? This is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to verify someone's current place of employment status, and this information is crucial for many different situations, including wage garnishment, debt collection, and child support payments. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I needed to head over to searchbug.com and navigate to Hire Investigator tab, and then select Verified Place of Employment Search. So once you're on this page, you'll have to fill out the online form with the person's name, and any additional information that you may have will assist your investigator with this search. And if you have the SSN of the subject, you can also include it in this form, as this will help your investigator target the right person. And additionally, this will also reduce the cost by $20. So that's done filling out the form. Click on Order Now, and after that, your order will now be assigned to a licensed third-party private investigator, and then they will leverage their expertise and resources to discreetly uncover the current employer and verify employment. Once completed, you'll receive an email notification on your POE search. And please note that it typically takes like 10 to 20 business days for the order to be completed. And it should also be noted that with all of our investigator-assisted orders, we also offer a no info found partial refund. So if the investigator is unable to locate or verify employment, you are entitled for a $100 refund. And that's it for today, guys.